Today, sunny and much warmer.
Alright, that's the end of that weekly test. It appears that WXM66 does not have good reception. We'll change this back to KIG78. Once again, the solar links and the zone guards did the same thing.
Thursday, sunny.
The alert works did not activate.
94 to 99.
That's a shame.
Northwest wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. In the morning, becoming northeast around 5 miles an hour. In the
How did the WR120 not activate?
Thursday night, clear. Low 65 to 75.
Huh.
West wind 10
These
to
guys
15
activated.
miles an hour.
It's like it's a 1 hour event.
Sunny. Highs 93 to 98. Northeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-60s to mid-70s.
Oh well, might as well bring my weather radios inside while I'm at it.
Mostly clear.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I attempted to catch it off WXM66, but it appears they're not getting a good signal.
Lows in the lower 60s to lower 70s.
Alright,
Highs 96
time to get all these things to shut up.
Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s to mid-70s.
I'll fix that later.
Tuesday, mostly sunny and
Oh well,
highs
if you guys
95
enjoyed
to
this
100.
video, like, comment, subscribe, and the next alert I have to catch is Los Angeles County's monthly test, which is next week. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the text I've been adding onto my catches of 2020, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.